Ever wondered how to maximize your workout with minimum time, all while burning fat and building muscle simultaneously? The answer lies in a unique fitness approach called metabolic resistance training, or MRT. With a world that's always on the go, finding time to hit the gym can be challenging. But here's where metabolic resistance training steps in, turning the notion of lengthy gym sessions on its head. So what exactly is metabolic resistance training? In essence, it's a high-intensity, high-power form of training that combines resistance training with aerobic exercise. By using compound movements and minimal rest periods between sets, MRT aims to keep your heart rate elevated, pushing your body into overdrive and kickstarting your metabolism. Imagine this, you're lifting weights, but instead of resting between sets, you're doing more exercises. Sounds intense, right? That's because it is. Metabolic resistance training is not for the faint-hearted. It requires grit, determination, and a willingness to push your body to its limits. But why should you consider MRT as part of your fitness routine? Well, metabolic resistance training offers a plethora of benefits. Firstly, it increases your metabolic rate. The intense nature of MRT means that your body continues to burn calories long after you've finished your workout. This is due to a phenomenon known as the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. In simple terms, your body needs to replenish its oxygen stores after a high-intensity workout, and this requires energy, that is, burning calories. Secondly, MRT helps in muscle building and preservation. The resistance training component of MRT promotes muscle growth, while the high-intensity aspect helps preserve muscle mass during fat loss. Thirdly, it's time efficient. An MRT session can be completed in less than half an hour, making it perfect for those with a busy lifestyle. However, it's important to note that metabolic resistance training isn't for everyone. It's demanding and intense, and may not be suitable for beginners or those with certain health conditions. Always consult with a fitness professional before incorporating MRT into your workout regimen. In conclusion, metabolic resistance training is an intense, efficient, and effective workout strategy that combines resistance training with aerobic exercise. It increases your metabolic rate, helps in muscle building and preservation, and is time efficient. However, it's not for everyone. And it's always important to consult with a fitness professional before beginning any new workout regimen. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain in the long run. So whether you choose to incorporate metabolic resistance training into your routine or not, the key is to find a workout strategy that you enjoy and can stick with. Happy training!